Hello future investors and welcome back to another weekly episode. Today we're going to be talking about why it's a good idea to invest with precious metals. So here I've got a 1 gram gold bar just to demonstrate for this video that this is a precious metal. If you're not sure what precious metals are, it's a solid form of gold. It's not paper gold or currency gold. It's solid gold, silver, or any type of precious metal that you can physically hold. So that's what a precious metal is. Why invest with precious metals and not leave money in the bank account? Well, for example, if you had £10,000 and you just put it in your savings account, in 10 years or 25 years from now, you're going to be able to buy a lot less with that £10,000 than you can buy now. Whereas if you put £10,000 into precious metals such as silver, platinum, gold, well, normally gold and precious metals are seen as a hedge against inflation. So if we look at the long-term performance of precious metals and the value of gold, gold has risen from £671 per ounce in 2010 to a high of £1,569 in 2020. That is an increase of 134%. Now, where else are you going to get an increase like that? You certainly wouldn't get that if you just left your money in the savings account sitting there. In fact, the chances are you would have lost a lot of money. So if that doesn't sell it to you, I don't know what does. Now, liquidity. The gold market is large, international, and benefits from a global spot price, making it easy to liquidate at any time. So here I've got a 1 gram gold bar. Now you can buy all sorts of different sizes. Here I've got a 1 ounce silver bullion bar, 0071, one of my favourites actually. So you can buy all different sizes. So 1 ounce is 28 grams. So here we've got 28 grams of silver, and here we've got 1 gram of gold. So if you're thinking about maybe you want to invest some of your money in precious metals, you're probably thinking, well, how do I do it and what do I buy? Okay, so first of all, you can see that here is called the Royal Mint Refinery. Now, I personally would recommend, at least for your very first few purchases, going with a government-approved precious metals refinery. That way you can guarantee that any of the precious metals you buy are 100% guaranteed authentic. You do pay a slightly higher price over spot price. So spot price is the price that the market buys it at, and then when you buy it from a reputable dealer, they have a premium on top, so you pay a little bit more because you're getting the security that your bars are 100%. Now, I would definitely recommend this because, of course, you don't want to be putting loads of money into precious metals, especially for a long period of time, and it turns out you've been buying all of fake bars. And believe me, there is plenty of fake bars and coins out there. So yes, it depends what country you're from, but I'm from England. So if you're from England, look at the Royal Mint online. They are the government's Royal Mint precious metals producer. Each country has their own. So Canada has the Canadian Mint, Australia has the Australian Mint. You can pretty much find all reputable government precious metals dealers in your countries. So I would go onto there. I would find out how much money you're willing to invest, how much you've got. Obviously, you've got to do everything within reason. I've started off investing with only 1 gram gold bars, so I've got one here. I've got another few here. So these were about £60 a time. And here I've started, as I've got confident, buying from different dealers. So this is PAMP, a very renowned and well-respected gold producer, but I only started buying these once I was confident of what I knew I was looking for. And these are all 1 grams, so it's a really nice low budget way of entering the precious metals market, and that way you can really build up your confidence and start your collection off. You're still going to make money with these in the long term. Now, if you're looking for short-term gains, it's not to be bought with lower denominations, because it's known that you pay a much higher premium on lower bars, whereas if you went and spent £10,000, you're going to save a lot more money than if you bought £10,000 worth of 1 gram bars. But most people, like all of us, start off new to it and small. So that's my advice. Start off small and work your way up, which I'm still doing myself. Diversification. Now, diversification, frequently regarded as a safe haven asset, gold has often a negative correlation to riskier stocks during times of economic stress. So basically what this means is gold and silver is always seen as an extremely safe bet. It's got a fantastic track record. Whereas if you buy shares or money currency, it's extremely volatile. So it's a much safer and more reliable way to make money. Now, with precious metals, you're not going to be making a load of money in a short space of time. Not unless you've got thousands and thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands or millions of pounds in these assets. But in the long term, you're definitely going to be making money. You're at least going to be saving against inflation. So it's really a win-win. Now, diversification. What do I mean by that? So obviously you can see here, I've got gold and I've got silver. Now, they say the best thing to do is diversify your portfolio. So you've got more assets to broaden your investing portfolio. So it creates more potential for profit, investment, and also liquidation. So some might become more desirable than the others, but it won't matter to you because you've got every denomination there is. So yeah, that's pretty much a fairly good reason why I would invest with precious metals. It's also personally absolutely beautiful. I mean, who doesn't want to own some gold and silver and be able to hold that, feel it, feel the weight of it and enjoy it? It's almost like having your own real treasure chest. I personally love it. I know I wish I started a long time ago, but again, I'm only 25, so my plan is 25 years from now, all of my investments hopefully will pay off, which I can liquidate most of it and enjoy retirement. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. Please let me know in the comments below if you have, and if you've been investing for a long time, or if you're only just starting, or if you're about to start. And if you've got any questions, leave them below. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just my personal experience feeding it out to the YouTube community, but I will definitely help where I can. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Please leave a like if you did enjoy it, and consider subscribing to see more content like this. And until next time, guys, I will see you then. Thanks very much. Bye bye.